How to win picture in Bingo Blitz. In Bingo Blitz, win pictures refer to collectible images that players obtain during gameplay. These pictures are part of the adventure book, a feature where you collect images from various cities to complete collections and earn rewards. Here is how you can collect and utilize these pictures. Now how to collect it. Now to collect it, you need to play bingo rounds. Engage in bingo games across different cities. Each city offers a unique set of collectible pictures. Next step is to utilize shadow cards. Some bingo cards known as shadow cards display a silhouette of a picture. Winning a bingo on these cards grants you the depicted picture. Next step is participate in events and challenges. Special events may offer exclusive pictures as rewards. Keep an eye on ongoing events to maximize your collection. And the final step is simply trade with friends. Use the in-game trading system to exchange duplicate pictures with friends. This helps in completing collections more efficiently. And that's it. This is how you can win picture in Bingo Blitz game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.